Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing, setting up and reviewing the ANNAPRO A3 Max battery pack head strap for Quest 3 and 3S. ANNAPRO sent this over to me for test, so a big thanks to them for sending it out. I have been using the BOBOVR S3 Pro for the past few months, so in this video I will be comparing both Halo head straps and see how the ANNAPRO holds up. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Inside the box we got the ANNAPRO A3 Max head strap, the battery pack, the top strap and the manual. We can already see what feels like a big upgrade over the stock Quest head strap. The frame feels solid, the padding feels soft, and the magnetic battery setup looks very well thought out. No power bank in your pocket, no long cable mess, just a battery built in the strap. The installation is simple. We remove the stock Quest strap carefully, attach the ANNAPRO arms, and then adjust the top strap and plug in the USB-C cable into the headset. No tools needed, and once it is installed, the Quest already feels more complete. The ANNAPRO A3 Max has really good weight balance and comfort. The 10,800 mAh rear battery pack helps balance the front heavy Quest 3, and it stays stable even during quick movement. It feels lighter and less bulky than the BOBOVR S3 Pro while still keeping the headset secure with less face pressure during longer sessions. Comfort always depends on your head shape, but for me this feels very good for everyday VR use. For battery and PCVR, I tested the ANNAPRO A3 Max with the virtual desktop while playing Forefront, one of my favorite games. With both the Quest 3 and ANNAPRO batteries fully charged, I got around 5 to 6 hours before both batteries were drained, and that is a strong result for wireless PCVR. The ANNAPRO battery is 10,800 mAh, so in paper that means that it's slightly bigger than the BOBOVR S3 Pro B100 battery, which is only 10,000 mAh. In real use, however, they are pretty close, so the best way to compare them is always with the same game, brightness and settings. And I also love the banana-shaped magnetic battery system. It clicks on easily and comes off cleanly, and the Quest keeps running from its own battery when you remove it. Now you might be wondering what are the benefits and the disadvantages of having the ANNAPRO A3 Max versus the BOBOVR S3 Pro. Well, both of them are Halo battery head straps, but they feel quite different. Both also have their own battery ecosystem with extra batteries and charging docks, so they are pretty similar in that aspect. The biggest difference is the fan. The BOBOVR S3 Pro has an inbuilt fan, while the ANNAPRO A3 Max does not, but the ANNAPRO has a slightly bigger battery on paper with 10,800 mAh compared to the BOBOVR's 10,000 mAh B100 battery, and it also costs less. ANNAPRO is $59.99 while the BOBOVR S3 Pro is $89.99. So if you really want the fun, the BOBOVR S3 Pro is the best choice for you. If you want the strong comfort, clean magnetic battery swapping, good battery capacity and a lower price, the ANNAPRO A3 Max is a very strong option to choose. Now let's go ahead and talk about what I like and I don't like in this head strap. Just like I mentioned before, I really like the balance. Just like in the BOBOVR S3 Pro, the magnetic battery of the ANNAPRO A3 Max battery head strap fits and balances the headset perfectly. I also like that it works with both Quest 3 and 3S. And about the things that I did not like, well, it's the usual things that I always mention in these headsets. One of them is the added weight, because no matter how good the balancing is, this is still extra weight on your head and on your neck, so eventually you will feel it. And the comfort will depend on your head shape too. Also, for very long sessions, one battery might not be enough, so a second battery would make this setup even better. And now for the final thoughts about the ANNAPRO A3 Max. Well, I would say that ANNAPRO A3 Max is a big upgrade at a cheaper price. It gives you the better comfort, better balance, and longer battery life, and a clean battery system for only $59.99 US. And this is a really strong option, especially if you want something cheaper than the BOBOVR S3 Pro, but still very capable and you don't need the extra fun. And for PCVR, wireless Quest gaming, and longer sessions, it does make a lot of sense. I still want to test it more over time to check out everything about the ANNAPRO A3 Max, but so far it does its job job very well. And that is all for my review for the ANNAPRO A3 Max for Meta Quest 3 and 3S. Links to the product will be provided in the description as always, and there also should be a discount code for you if you want to check it out. And just so you know, I might earn a special commission if you buy through my link at no extra cost for you, and you get to support me if you want to. So let me know what strap you use right now, and if it's the stock strap, the BOBOVR S3 Pro strap, or the ANNAPRO A3 Max, or something else. As always, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next time.